or MBA, CA or MBA, if you are confused with this question, to which degree to pursue, then watch this video till the very end in order to get clarity on what should you choose for yourself. Hi everyone, my name is Tanvi Sukhija and I'm on a mission to help students and freshers to rise from mediocrity to excellence in order to achieve the best of the things. In this video, we'll be talking about the difference between CA and MBA on certain parameters. Number one is what? What is MBA and CA? MBA is the holistic way of learning how different functions of business operates together with each other. Whereas CA is a specialized degree in finance or taxation where you could become a subject matter expert because you now have the knowledge of all these subjects relating to finance in a very detailed manner. Number two is हमें ये डिग्री कहाँ से मिल सकती है? MBA की colleges होते हैं. There are different colleges where we could get admission for the MBA degree, ranging from a small college, medium college or top B schools where you can get MBA degree. Whereas CA has only one institute, that is Institute of Chartered Accountants of India, who could provide you with the CA degree. Number three is cost. How much cost will incur in order to get these degrees? Since in MBA we have different choices of colleges, so the cost depending upon the type of college we choose for ourselves. If we are going for a small to medium college, it will range from somewhere around 5 lakh to 10 lakh to 15 lakh. But if we are choosing top B schools, then it will somewhere range around 30 lakh, 40 lakh. So it all depends upon the choice of college that we made for ourselves. For CA, it is comparatively subsidized and the cost ranges from 4 lakh to 6 lakhs. Depending upon the coachings we take or self-study, it is basically the institute fees that I am considering and minimal amount of coaching fees that I am taking into consideration. Coming to fourth parameter, which is time period. MBA is a 2 years degree which you can do after your graduation, which is of 3 years. So basically after you are done with 3 years graduation, you can go for MBA degree which is of 2 years. Whereas CA course ranges between 4.5 to n number of time because end is not defined. It is really difficult to crack CA. So minimum time period I can say is 4.5 to 5 years and maximum it can take you 10 years, 12 years, 5 years, 6 years depending upon in which attempt you clear your CA exams. Number fifth parameter is what type of studies are being done in both these courses. MBA is more practical based study focused. In MBA degree, you will have more consideration to the practical projects that you will be getting and you will be more exposed to how business operates. That is, you are more inclined towards the reality. The content or the subject will be little less technical, but you will have a lot of exposure in the practical world. Your internship will be of 3 months to 6 months of the period where you could get a good knowledge of the industry operation and every other thing which you would want to know. MBA degree mein you have various functions which are subdivided which you can choose for yourself, that is whether you want to go for finance, you want to go for HR, you want to go for operation, management, IT, it all depends upon you which field or domain you want to choose for your MBA. Whereas CA degree is more focused on your technical aspects, that is in-depth study of the finance, accounts, taxation, and it has practical training as well, that is articleship of 3 years period where you could get an exposure of the real world. It is basically a specialized or tax expert matter, in finance expert matter. You could get a knowledge in a particular field, that is finance, and CEO आप both cases में बन सकते हो even if you have done CA or you have done MBA. One hit point हम कह सकते हैं MBA वालों का ये होता है कि they have good soft skills because they are already dealing with a lot of people. They have real exposure to the practical world, so they are more good in presenting what they have studied so far and presenting their expertise or presenting their knowledge to others, whereas CA students somehow lacks this a bit, but it is now changing. CA students are now focusing on soft skills as well. But as a typical CA course, CA course is more focused on the subject, studies and everything, which is really difficult. Also the syllabus is very huge, so it gives CA student a less focus towards the other areas of life. Coming to the next parameter, which is MBA course, क्या होते हैं? MBA is a full-time learning course, whereas CA is a distant learning course because institute has just given you the syllabus, study material and everything, and now you have to study on your own. Whereas MBA में हमें college जाना होता है, so we get to know the college world as well. We get to know the real world. We know how to face the reality. So it is basically a full-time learning, whereas CA is a distant learning. And the next parameter is entry or exit. Entry in MBA course is quite difficult because of the competitive exams and the percentile criteria. And exit in the MBA course is very easy because once you have entered, it is dead sure that you will now clear the MBA or you will now get the degree for yourself. Whereas in CA course, entry is very easy. CA foundation is the easiest of all levels in CA course. And exit is much difficult because CA final has a lot of syllabus, huge syllabus, and checking criteria is also not very good. So yes, exit is very difficult. That is why some people take 10 years, 12 years to clear their CA exam, whereas MBA is a definite time period of 2 years. So now if you want to make a choice for yourself, no one can influence your decision. You have to do it on your own by deciding the certain parameters which you want to choose for yourself. If you know you have to have financial knowledge, if you want to be an expert in the finance related field, then you should go for CA. But if you are someone who likes to do a lot of marketing stuff, IT stuff, HR, professional, any other thing, जिसमें आपको सबकी knowledge चाहिए हो, then you should go for MBA because in that you can have an exposure to the practical world as well. So no one can influence your decision in this manner. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe it right now and hit the bell icon in order to get notified for all the further videos. If you have any questions, you can reach out to me through the comment section below, or you can reach out to me through LinkedIn, through Instagram, wherever you want me to reach out. I'm attaching the links to my LinkedIn and Instagram profile in the description box below. Thank you.